The Audi Multimedia Interface, or MMI system, is the central hub that controls your car's audio, navigation, and smartphone connectivity. When this system experiences issues like screen freezes or Bluetooth connection problems, a reset can often resolve these problems quickly. Common issues that indicate your MMI system needs a reset include frozen screens, unresponsive touch controls, Bluetooth pairing failures, and navigation system errors. There are three main methods to reset your MMI system, each with different levels of impact. Method 1 is the soft reset using the volume knob. This is the quickest and most common method. Simply press and hold the volume knob for about 10 seconds until the screen goes black and restarts with the Audi logo. Some Audi models require an alternative button combination for soft reset. Press and hold the setup button, the joystick, and the upper right button simultaneously for about 10 seconds until the system restarts. Method 2 is the factory reset, which erases all personal data, including navigation history and custom settings. Access this through the MMI interface by going to Settings, then selecting Factory Reset or Delete Personal Data. Confirm the reset and wait for the system to restart. Method 3 is battery disconnection, used as a last resort for complete system reset. Park safely, turn off the engine, and open the hood. Always disconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal. Wait 10 minutes before reconnecting in reverse order. Positive first, then negative. Finally, always keep your MMI system updated with the latest software. Regular updates fix bugs, improve performance, and add new features. Check for updates through your Audi dealer or the MMI settings menu to ensure optimal system performance and reduce the need for frequent resets. When your MMI display doesn't turn on at all, a blown fuse is often the culprit. The fuses controlling MMI modules are located in a compartment on the left side of your trunk. Use a multimeter to test each fuse. Set it to resistance mode and place the probes correctly. The black probe goes in the V-ohm port, not the 10-ohm port. Replace any burned-out fuses with the correct amperage rating. If the fuse isn't the issue, the problem may be with the amplifier. The MMI amplifier is located in the trunk compartment and connects to the system through fiber optic cables. Water damage to this component can cause complete system malfunction. The amplifier connects through a complex network of fiber optic cables. These delicate connections carry data throughout the MMI system. Inspect the amplifier housing for any signs of moisture, corrosion, or physical damage. Even minor water intrusion can cause system failures. Software issues can often be resolved by ensuring you have the latest MMI updates installed. Updates can be performed via USB drive or SD card. Future MMI systems may support over-the-air updates, eliminating the need for physical media. Always ensure updates are completed before attempting other troubleshooting steps. If problems persist after checking fuses, inspecting the amplifier, and updating software, seek professional assistance. The MMI system relies on a complex fiber optic network where a single point of failure can disrupt the entire system.